If you've been running into that frustrating not enough RAM error in Photoshop, you're definitely not alone. Today, I'm going to show you a proven way to fix this issue by tweaking one simple setting in your computer's registry. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to help Photoshop recognize all of your available memory and get back to editing without the constant interruptions. Alright, let's jump right in. First, we need to open something called the Windows Registry Editor. This is a tool built into Windows that lets you change how certain programs behave behind the scenes. To do this, press the Windows key and the letter R together on your keyboard. That's Windows plus R. This little shortcut brings up a box called Run. In that box, type the word Regedit, that's spelled R-E-G-E-D-I-T, and then click OK. You might see a message from Windows asking if you want to allow this app to make changes to your device. Go ahead and agree. That's just your computer making sure you really want to open the registry editor. Now, inside the registry editor, things can look a little overwhelming. But don't worry, we'll move through it step by step. You want to look for a folder called HKE, our current user. It's usually near the top of the list on the left side. Click that to expand it, and a bunch of folders will appear underneath. Next, scroll down and find Software. Give that a click. Inside Software, look for a folder labeled Adobe. Click to open Adobe, and then find Photoshop inside there. Each step is like walking down a hallway full of doors. Just keep following the hallway and open each door as we go. Once you open the Photoshop folder, you'll see a few more items underneath it. You want to click the folder that's directly below Photoshop. It might have a version number, like 23.0 for example, depending on which Photoshop you have installed. Go ahead and select that folder. What we're going to do next is add a new value to tell Photoshop exactly how much RAM your computer has. Right-click anywhere on the white space in the right panel of the registry editor. From the menu that pops up, choose New. Then select DW Word, 32-bit value. This is just a type of setting that Photoshop will recognize. Now, for the name of this value, type Override Physical Memory MB. Make sure to spell it exactly with the capital letters in the right spots. If you get that wrong, Photoshop won't see it, so double-check your spelling. Once you've added the name, must right-click on the new entry you've created and hit Modify. A small window will open. On the right side, you'll see a choice between hexadecimal and decimal. Click Decimal. This makes it easy to enter the amount of RAM your computer actually has. Think about how much memory you have installed. For example, if you have 8 gigabytes of RAM, type in 8,000. If you have 24 gigabytes, like I do, enter 24,000. Basically, just multiply the gigabytes by 1,000. And if you're not sure how much RAM is in your computer, just pause here and check your system info before moving on. Once you've typed in your RAM amount, click OK to save the changes. Congratulations, you've just told Photoshop to use all of the memory available on your machine. Now, close the registry editor and restart Photoshop. This lets the program recognize the new setting you've added. That's it. If Photoshop gave you the not enough RAM error before, chances are it'll work smoothly now. Remember, this process is perfectly safe if you follow each step carefully, but always be gentle with the registry editor. Only change what I've described here. If this tutorial helped you out, give the video a thumbs up and type any questions or experiences in the comments. I'm here and happy to help. Don't forget to subscribe for more useful tech tips and tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.